Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this is a video about the punctuation mark, the hyphen. So we use hyphens to join words or parts of a word together. So for example, to join a prefix to a root word. So here's some examples: co-own, re-enter, semicircle. They can help when a word could be confused for another word. So for example, I researched the internet means I looked for information, but I researched the internet means that actually you searched again. They also show which words belong together. They link words together to make the meaning clear, and one punctuation mark can actually change the meaning altogether, so you do need to be careful how you use them. So for example, a man eating squid or a man eating squid. Finally, all written numbers between 21 and 99 also need hyphens, such as 21 or 99. I hope this has helped.